Hello guys, welcome to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. Here's another one for you. A Nigerian doctor buys a house and a car 3 years after migrating to the UK. Popular online medical doctor Dr. Harvey Olufunmilayo, who migrated to the United Kingdom 3 years ago, has just bought a house. Sharing the photos of the exterior and the interior of the house, he wrote, "2019, God gave me a house, not rented, my own home, 4-bedroom with a garden in England. For a boy that only came to UK with 2 traveling bags in 2016, I'm in tears. My prayer for everyone that follows me or sees this is that God will grant all your heart's greatest desire." However, revealing how it was made possible, Dr. Harvey mentioned that he cultivated a saving culture and was able to save as much as £500 to £1,000 every month from his monthly income. Guys, it's like I'll leave this country too, so that this can be me in the next 3 years. Because I don't know if within the space of 3 years I'll be able to buy a house like this and a Benz in our own country. Because this shit ain't funny. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.